Hello, everybody, and welcome to LD Knows. I am LD, your host, and this is the first episode of my new show that I'm making. And basically, I'm here to inform you things about your computer that you might not know. These are, for today's episode, is going to be about something very simple that everybody should know how to do because it makes things a lot easier and you don't have to type everything over and over again. And you don't have to, if you find something on the internet you want to post on Facebook, or you want to copy it to an email, or you want to copy it to whatever. I don't know what you're using it for, but there is a way to copy and paste this stuff so you don't have to type it all by hand. And the first thing you need to know is how to select text. Selecting text is the first step in copying it. And what I mean by selecting is by either double clicking on a word, triple clicking to select everything, or click and hold and pull to whatever direction the text is going in. So you can double click on a word, triple click to select the whole statement. Or you press and hold and pull to whatever direction the text you want to copy is. So we'll put that down there. Now that we know how to select, we're going to copy. So, you want to select the word text, or select whatever it is you want to select. I'm going to select text. Now, when you right click on this blue area, remember, you can only do this when it's selected. It's the basic, most important part of this first part. So you right click on the selection here. Now, you have all these options. Don't worry about anything under here. It'll just give you a headache. Worry about the top three right here. We've got cut, copy, and paste. So you want to copy the word text, and you press the copy option here. It's not going to do anything. It's not going to give you a notification that it's not going to say, congratulations, achievement points for learning how to copy. There's going to be no balloons or banners or anything. Just going to copy it. You're not going to see it. Now you want to paste it. You want to unselect your text. Unselect your text. So just click anywhere on the screen. So it's selected, I'll click it over here. Okay, it's not selected anymore. It's selected, it's not selected anymore. So anywhere in this area, boom, you unselect what you just selected. Now, so with the cursor blinking like that and nothing selected, you want to right click on the screen again and press paste. And voila, you've got your first copy and pasted word. Now you can do this with everything. You could select the whole line here, go copy, underneath it, press it again, press paste. Amazing technology, isn't it? Okay, so let's do that. I'll make a few more examples of that. You collect and select, right click, copy, right click, paste, and click, copy, paste. So that's your basic copy and paste routine. There's a third option on that list that I showed you. If you select the word, right click on it, and press cut, it disappeared. You can actually move it now by right clicking down here or wherever you want to move it and press paste. Voila, magic, I know. So if you right click on a word or a sentence and you press cut, it's going to delete it from the screen until you right click and press paste again. This is how you cut things. This is another, it's just another way to move text around without having to type everything out. And it makes things happen a lot quicker. Now, why would you want to know how to do this? Well, you can copy stuff from the internet. Okay, I got a song here by Eminem from Lyric Wiki, one of the best sites on the web if you ask me. And say I want to copy this line here. Actually, I want to copy this whole section for Facebook or whatever. So I click and hold, and I drag my cursor over everything I want to copy. I right click on it, and I press the word copy. Now I'm using Firefox here. Mozilla Firefox is a browser, but believe me, it's the same regardless if you're using Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Safari. Well, unless you're on a Mac, it's different. This is for Windows 7, so we're going to keep it on PC terminology here. So if you want to copy this, you select it, you right click, and you press copy. And you can come over to here, and you right click again, and you press paste. And voila, there it is. It's not magic, believe me, it's just copy and paste. This is exactly what was from here. Now, just for your knowledge, you can't change this from here, so don't try to do that. You'll be there all night. But you can copy and paste it from one thing to another. Now, to end this tutorial, I'd like to get a little more advanced, because there's a nicer way that I usually use this way anyway to copy and paste things. On your keyboard, there's a button called Control. It's CTRL, and it's in either the lower left-hand corner or the lower right-hand corner of your keyboard. So you have two of them. Now, there's 3 commands that you can learn to do copy and paste. All right, so we'll come down here. The first one is Control C, which does copy. Control V does paste, and Control X does cut. Now, the way you have to do this is you have to press and hold Control. Do not let go of it. You select what you want to copy, like this. You press and hold Control, and you press and hold C. Okay, now you've just copied something. And the same thing as with the pasting. You come down to a blank area, you press and hold Control, and you press and hold V. And voila! Now you've copied and pasted this text. And same thing with Control X. You press Control and X, and it disappears until you press Control and V, and it will paste it below here. And that, my friends, is basically all you need to know about copy, paste, and cut. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And that's all. Have a nice day.